Started.
Okay. Hi, Professor. Hello, everyone. Today, we would like to discuss about the project name called e-voting system. So, my name is Popita, and my team members are Mahesh, Kiran. Can you please go to the first slide? The main purpose of this project is to provide the users to cast their vote online. And we have seen the manual voting system, which takes a lot of time and effort to complete the voting process. So that we choose this project to make it easy for all the people. So can you please go to the next slide? So here we have some objectives for this particular project, like it's a portable, as we can cast voter from any location. So we don't want to go anywhere to vote our candidate. So easy to access in terms of voting. It's reliable and user-friendly UI. It provides transparent showcase of the voting process. And coming to the scope, the e-voting system includes the registration of the voter and the candidate login page dashboard. Here we are showing the candidate profiles along with the vote button, and we have multiple tabs in this project. Like for in the next tab, where the user can provide the survey based on the questions asked. In the third tab includes the tabular statistics of the number of voters voted in terms of gender and age group. In the third tab, we also were showing the winning candidate who has the majority votes. And this is the uniqueness of the e-voting system diagram. So as I said earlier, we are providing the survey option, which we will get to know opinion of individual. It means based on the feedback, we can able to identify who is the winner. So and also we can able to view the voting data in the tabular form, which is transparent, and we can able to view the votes of this every candidate, so that it provides the voter transparent visibility of the voting data. And usefulness of e-voting system, as I said in the introduction, so it is easy to use, easy to access, and it is very portable, and it is very transparent to use. Next, my friend will continue.
Thank you, Babita. Coming to the project explanation, in order to cast a vote, a user need to register first. For that, we have registration page where we need to give our details. So we have username, gender, and profession, and mobile number, and password, and date of birth. And if a candidate is a voter or candidate, so after successfully giving details, we need to register. So we have date of birth, and if it is a voter or a candidate. So after successfully register, we have alert box. So we need to login with our login credentials. So it will redirect to our dashboard. So in our dashboard, we can see our candidate profiles. So so whenever a candidate name is who is participating in elections, there is a name and number of votes he got until up to date. So if we want to vote a person, we need to click on a red colored button. So it will increment one plus one. So if we cast once again for the same candidate, it will give alert. So it will display the alert message. So sorry, voter can only vote for one candidate. Can you display again? Yeah. And coming to the survey, my friend will explain the content.
Hello everyone, my name is Kiran. So when it comes to the survey tab, we are providing this couple of questions here. So based on the questions, if you choose any option, suppose I given A, comma B, suppose A. So once the user submitted this one, so you will get the alert one. It's successfully provided the survey. So we will get the result in the bottom part. So along with this user, other users who are given this option, we will get for this option for 14 members have chosen this option, and this one is chosen by 5 members. This one is 4. So this result is based on the all other users who are given the survey. So if you try to give the survey again, so we'll get that user can survey one time because we can only provide the survey at once. So if you try to provide the survey multiple times, it shows an alert message like this. So this is the survey tab. When it comes to the list tab, here we can see the to whom we have voted. So the one which we have green tab button is the person we have voted. So the number of votes the person got, and this one got the one vote, and this is 0. So when it comes to the registration numbers, we are showing the tabular form here. So this table form shows the total number of candidates, like in the candidates who have been participating in the elections. So total 3 members, and we are dividing them into the male and the female. So total there are three male. So when it comes to the voters, how many more voters have been registered and voted? So total 36 members, all among them there are 35 males and 1 female. So voting number, when it comes to voting number, 13 numbers total voted and 13 are the male ones. So these are the number of people who are registered. This comes to the number of people who have been voted. So this is the age group of this tabular data. So the age group is between the 1998 0309 to the 1959 0917. So if you would like to know who is the winner of the based on the majority. So if you choose this confirmation button, so we'll get to know who are the majority would be the winner of this elections. So this person has the more votes. He's got the 10 votes. So we can check here, like this one is the got the 10 votes. The remaining 2% for the 1 and 0. So this guy will be the winner. So we'll be showing this here. So last is the logout. Once we get to logout, we will be showing the logout login button. Then so if this is a diagrammatic representation of the e-voting system, as there is no, we can once the user gets logged in, we can vote the candidate. So we can only vote once per a candidate, so we cannot vote multiple votes. So and as we also know that the candidate can vote to the other candidate, but he cannot vote for himself. So we are also provide that feature. So when it comes to the survey, we are providing couple of questions there, and based on the questions, we are providing the result what the other users or other voters have been chosen the survey. So that's the survey. And when it comes to the view results, so we are viewing the winning data, like who is got the majority of the votes. So that's the view results. Now when it comes to the view voting data, so we have seen the tabular structure of the data where we are showing how many people have been voted, how many people have been registered to that the voting portal, and how many candidates are there, including the male and female. Then this is the view voting data. So when it comes to the advantages of the e-voting system, it provides the portability of the voting, which in terms of remote voting. So and also provide the faster results. So as we are voted, then we know who are the majority of the votes. So it gives us the more flexibility to access the data and the faster retrieval of the results and better accessibility and the usability. So it's easy to access. It can be easy to access to everyone who has the basic knowledge about the system. So when it comes to the disadvantages of the present manual voting system, so it is time consuming because each individual has to come to a particular location and to vote the what cast his vote, and it's difficult to do the counting process. And moreover, the counting process also takes some more time, and more human resources need to be required for the counting the votes, and it's limited accessibility. So if the person is staying in some other state, if you want to cast the vote, if he's unable to come to the particular location where he has to vote, so they will miss this opportunity to vote the person. So these are the disadvantages in the manual voting system. So these are we have the advantages when it comes to the e-voting system, like it's the portable and is easier retrieval of the results and has the accessibility and the usability of the system. Oh, and this is all about the e-voting system. Thank you for giving this opportunity.